Okay guys, I am outside at my garden. Believe it or not, my garden is looking really messed up. I'm gonna fix it because you guys know it is fall and everything. And so I'm really happy though, because this is my loofah right here, guys. I can't wait to show you, because you're gonna be so excited about it and everything like that, because then you're gonna start growing something in your garden. So I'm gonna get real happy about that. But I want to show you real fast, so let me show you. There's my loofah. I am so happy about it. I am not kidding. That, look, it's one already growing right there. I got one right here. I got one right there and one right there. It's like so many of them on there, guys. Like you can't see them all, but I can see them. So I'm just showing you, and I'm telling you, this has been a blessing, because I thought, well, it's fall. You saw that bumblebee. I'm like, it's fall, and I didn't think that anything would grow out of it. But it is doing so well. It is doing so well, and so I'm like excited about it that I got this loofah growing, guys. So I'm hoping and praying that this whole fall season, I'm still gonna get more of these that's coming out, and then I'll be able to make some sponges for my sisters. I'm so excited about that, because remember I said I at least wanted one. So this one right here will make at least 2 or 3 sponges. And believe it or not, you buy them at the store. You never even think about it. You just buy them at the store, and you use them, and you scrub your back and your legs and your arms and everything like that. You scrub everything, and you didn't know that it's actually something that actually grows on a all in this whole little bush thing. It just grows there, and so I'm getting really excited about it. Next year, I'm telling you guys, I am gonna try to plant it early, and hopefully it will come out and it will be nice. I'm thinking, because it's fall, it's still got time to grow, and if they all die except for this one, because it's so big, except for that one, I'm telling you, if they all die next year, I am just going to come back full force on the loofahs, because I really like them and I want to give them out, because we buy them all the time in the store, all the time, and we never even know it. So I just want you guys to see it. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, y'all have a great day, and may the Lord continue to bless you, and I will show you the loofahs at the end of this video. All right, guys, take care. Thank you.